Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to create word clouds in Tableau using customer review data. We are going to use just a little bit of Python to basically clean the data first before we move on to Tableau. So let's just take a look at the Python code first. So this is one CSV file that contains the customer review data basically, and as you can see from the data set, there are a lot of attributes in the data set, but the one that we are interested in is this description field, which contains a list of all the customer reviews, the actual customer reviews posted about wines. What I did was I combined all the reviews and then tokenized the reviews and then removed the punctuations from the tokenized value of the reviews. I used the natural language toolkit in Python to accomplish this task, and one important step is to remove the stop words from the tokenized list of words that we have. These stop words are words like the, there, is, and which have absolutely no relevance in this kind of analysis. So further, I saved this list of words in CSV format to be used in Tableau. Just to give you a brief idea about how our list looks like. So this is our list of all the words that we have. There is definitely a better way to do this. What I could have done is I could have probably stored the count of words against each word itself before moving on to Tableau. But for now, we'll just move the whole list to Tableau and see how to create a word cloud from this list. So for the sake of convenience, I have already imported the CSV file in Tableau, and this is what we had from our Python code. So let's just get started with making the word cloud. So I'll drag this list of word, sorry, I'll drag this list of word to the text mark right here. So what it does, it gave me all the words and all the words that have been actually that are actually present in the list. One good thing about Tableau is that it automatically calculated the number of records and the count of words that we talked about earlier. So next step is to move this number of records to the size mark. So what it does, it adjusts the size of the word according to the count of the word. So for example, if a word has a lot of occurrence, it will be greater in size as compared to other words. So another important step here is to actually filter out the words before moving forward. The reason why I'm doing this is that I do not want irrelevant words in my word cloud. I only want words that have been repeated at least 1000 times. It's a huge file, and the list of words is huge, so there are definitely going to be a lot of words that have been repeated more than 1000 times. So I'll hit OK. So there you go. There we have a filtered list of words. The next step is to change the mark type to text. There we have one uh, word cloud right here. This looks just fine. If uh, if needed, we can definitely change the number of occurrences of the words and look at how the word cloud changes accordingly. So there you go. Just to give it just to give it color, I'll just move this list of words to color, and there you go. There we have our word cloud made out of the customer reviews. I can change the name of the sheet to customer review word cloud for vines, and okay, it will take some time. Yeah, So please ignore this. Uh, no, never mind. So this is our word cloud, and word clouds are a really great way, a really good way to actually see what words are being repeated the most, and it can be really helpful. For example, I created this word cloud from, it's depicting all those states and provinces from which people have actually posted the reviews. So one key takeaway in this whole exercise is that data cleaning is really important before moving on to Tableau, when it comes to creating a word cloud from our data. So that's it. Thank you so much.